Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study UPSC online. Begin by choosing a core syllabus and mapping it into weekly goals, then set 90-minute focus sessions with 5 to 10-minute breaks, and pick one trusted online course for structured guidance. Balance current affairs reading with static subject notes, and schedule weekly revisions and practice tests to measure progress and adjust your plan in a calm, steady way. Select a small collection of high-quality sources and stick to them, mixing NCERT and one advanced book per subject. Then use a daily current affairs summary to stay informed without overwhelm. Schedule weekly mock tests and always review errors to convert weaknesses into strengths, and use digital flashcards for quick recall during short breaks. Keep tools simple so you spend more time learning than organizing. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps creators keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are great for study marathons because they prevent spills, save time, and keep meals fresh between sessions, plus they stack neatly on a desk. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it helps your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Build habits that support steady progress by starting your day with focused reading and quick revisions. Then use active methods like summarizing aloud, teaching a concept, and writing timed answers to reinforce learning. Keep distractions low by setting app timers and short social media windows, and rotate subjects to avoid burnout. Celebrate small wins each week to maintain motivation and remind yourself why you began this journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.